If you're already booked on Disney Treasure, check out our 6 tips for the best way to get to and from Port Canaveral. The latest arrival from Disney Cruise Line, Disney Treasure, offers some truly remarkable onboard experiences. With over-the-top accommodations including the 2-level tower suite located within the ship's forward funnel, incredibly immersive kids and family spaces, themed dining venues, and state-of-the-art water coaster Aqua Mouse, Disney Treasure has tons of special touches, character interactions, and unique Disney magic for the entire family. Every Disney Treasure cruise will also stop at Disney's own private destination of Castaway Cay, Bahamas. Now here's 6 tips to get you to your cruise on board Disney Treasure in the easiest and most stress-free way. Although there are other area airports serving Port Canaveral, Orlando Airport is our highly recommended choice. Located 45 miles from your Disney Treasure cruise terminal, it still has the shortest travel time with its direct highway access. Orlando Airport will also offer the most airline and flight scheduling options and a wider selection of nearby hotels. Here's a bonus tip. If you plan to fly in the same day as your cruise, select a flight that will arrive prior to 11:30 a.m. This will ensure you have enough time to get to Port Canaveral. With unforeseen delays being a common part of air travel, embarkation day flight arrivals can put you at risk of missing your cruise. When you plan to arrive the day before Disney Treasure sets sail, you'll have a more stress-free start to your cruise. GoPort's Fly Snooze cruise packages make getting there easier and are a top choice for Port Canaveral cruisers. You'll be able to choose from various brand name hotel options such as Hilton, Marriott, Hyatt, La Quinta, Best Western, and more, with the convenience of airport transportation and cruise transfers included. If you do opt to fly into the Sanford or Melbourne airports, you'll be pleased to know that GoPort also offers select Fly Snooze cruise packages for cruisers flying into these airports as well. If you're arriving the day of your cruise, figure out in advance how you're going to get to Disney Treasure. With Port Canaveral being a good distance from Orlando Airport, planning on taxis, rental cars, or rideshare services can be expensive with surge pricing, unpredictable, or have limited luggage capacity. Instead, use the most reliable and convenient way to travel between the Orlando Airport and Port Canaveral by booking pre-arranged shuttle transfers. With a company like GoPort, you can purchase the same transportation as your cruise line for less. Already have a hotel booked? You can also reserve cruise transfers to Port Canaveral from all hotels near the Orlando Airport. Staying at a hotel near Orlando Airport is the best option when cruising from Port Canaveral on Disney Treasure. Relax in your room just minutes after a long flight and save the trip to the port for the morning of your cruise to avoid paying a premium. Additionally, for late flight arrivals, you'll have the convenience of Orlando restaurants being open late and plenty of shops close by to pick up any last-minute essentials. The process of disembarkation from Disney Treasure typically starts at 7 a.m. and runs through 10 a.m. Once outside the cruise terminal, the return transfer back to the Orlando Airport can take about an hour depending on traffic. It's recommended to arrive 3 hours before your scheduled departure, so book an afternoon flight, giving yourself enough time for any possible delays. With several other ships likely in port at the same time, disembarking Disney Treasure early is key for a smooth departure from Port Canaveral. Disney Cruise Line offers express walk-off departure for guests carrying off their own luggage, allowing cruisers to be some of the first to disembark once customs has cleared the ship. Express walk-off travelers will avoid long lines getting off the ship and beat heavy traffic exiting the port. For a complete list of these tips, check out our blog post linked in the video's description. Disney Treasure captures the magical spirit and brings the best of Disney's one-of-a-kind theme experiences to the high seas. With a selection of brand-name hotels and reliable transportation providers, take the stress out of getting to and returning from your cruise and just go port it.